Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today I have a special open house video for you of a manufactured home located here in Orange Blossom Gardens in the northern part of the Villages. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. This is the home for sale today. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom manufactured home located here in the northern part of the Villages. This is located very close to Spanish Springs Town Square. It is located in Orange Blossom Gardens here in the Villages, Florida. The front of the house is facing south and the back of the house is facing north. I will take a panoramic view of the street. This would be facing west. And this would be facing east. Let's go inside and take a look. The first thing I notice is this beautifully painted driveway. This looks new. And the real estate agent did tell me that this was a newer paint on this driveway. This is a manufactured home. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home with a carport. And you do have a golf cart garage as well. Let's take a walk and take a look, just so you know that 3-wheeled vehicle is not included in the sale price of this home. This home is list priced at $245,000. Let's take a walk to the side of the home. Lots of cement and a very large carport, I notice. There is a small storage area there as well. You can see the painted concrete continues. That is a golf cart garage. And let's take a walk in. This is going to be your laundry area. This is a laundry area. And the golf cart garage. That part back there is the golf cart garage. This is the laundry area. There is cabinets in here. It does have a cement floor. Let's go inside and take a look. You will see and notice that this home does have a very deep setback, very large yard, very mature landscaping. The painted concrete continues into the lanai. This is a screened-in lanai, and I will video the specification sheet. So you have the dimensions of all these rooms in this home. It is a screened-in lanai. Very nice, very bright, very neutral. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are standing in the living room area. This is a manufactured home located in the northern part of the Villages. Very neutrally decorated. First thing I notice is the wood laminate floor. It does have cathedral ceilings with knockdown texture. The living room dimensions are 21 feet by 12 feet. Very neutrally decorated. Very high ceilings, very light and bright. You can see the laminate floors are continuing. This is the dining area here. That is your kitchen area. That kitchen area does have Formica countertops. That is an electric light. It is not a solar tube, just so you know. Has white raised panel cabinets with brushed stainless hardware on it. You can see the appliances are stainless as well. The backsplash is a tile backsplash. It has a stainless 2-bowl sink. This is an entrance or exit door out to the carport area. This kitchen does have a pantry area right there. Very nice. Formica countertops as well. This home shows very well. Panning off into the living room area again. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom manufactured home, and the list price is $245,000. The HOA fee will be $195 a month. You can see the laminate floor continues. Off to the left, you will see vinyl plank flooring in the bathroom area. It does have a shower module. It does appear to be a 48-inch shower module with glass doors. That is your vanity. That appears to be either quartz or granite countertop. Let's take a look at the shower. Very nice glass door in that shower area. Very large shower head as well. Again, very light and bright room. Back in the hallway, off to the right, you will see a master bedroom. The laminate floors continue in this master bedroom. The master bedroom dimensions are 14 feet by 12 feet. It has a vaulted ceiling with acoustic texture. That does appear to be a king-size bed to give you perspective on the size of this room. Here we are in the master bedroom. You can see the vinyl plank floor continues in that bathroom area. It appears to have the same countertop as the guest bathroom. Solid surface, I believe that's quartz or granite. Very nice lighted mirror. Vaulted ceiling, very high ceiling as well. This bathroom does have what appears to me to be a 36-inch shower module with glass doors. Very large shower head. Very nice. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. His name is Jim Grider with Next Home Sally Love Real Estate. This is the master bedroom closet. It's a walk-in closet. It does have wire rack shelf, and the laminate floors continue in that closet. Very nice, very neutrally decorated home. Here in the Villages, Florida, this would be a guest bedroom. The laminate floors continue in this guest bedroom. It has very high vaulted ceiling with acoustic texture. This bedroom does have a closet. Let's see what that closet looks like. There's your closet in the guest bedroom. Very nice home. There is no bond on this home. Again, if you have any questions, please contact Jim Grider, the listing agent of this home. I'll give you another panoramic view of the kitchen and dining room area. This home is very light and bright. Very quiet neighborhood here in the Villages, Florida. Let's take a walk outside. We'll take a walk out to the street. As I walk out to the street, I just wanted to give you a last look at the home. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom manufactured home located here in the Villages, Florida. That is your home. Right there, that is your home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Take care, everyone. This is your contact information. Jim Grider with Next Home Realty Group. List price of this home, $245,000. There is no bond on this home. There are your room dimensions. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my account. Take care, everyone. Thank you for watching this open house tour of a manufactured home located here in Orange Blossom Gardens in the Villages, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom manufactured home. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone.